Hi guys, welcome back to another ranked Skywars video on Dynasty. I've been trying to record this thousands of times, either dying to cheers like usual, or some like family talking that and I can't post that content, so I actually have to re-record the whole thing. Yes. KP1, yay. If you're wondering why I'm going blacksmith, it's because I'll attempt to add like all the other videos. And I shouldn't mind that, but there's one thing, so I thought
Oh my God.
What do you mean? Why do you take it? This is a KB1, for example. Yeah, L. I guess I just really wanted to test the audio quality while playing some ranked Skywars. Thank you for watching. Have a good day, all of you. And I'll see you later in the next video, which will be uploaded soon. Till then, bye.